Long at Tortoise Capital, March 10th, 2026. This is the swing trade frame for tomorrow. It's Alcoa. It's at the top of our yellow zone trading list, a value of 11 and a half. The range stat is almost $5, and the frog box $1.40. You can see we're ready to play a breakout from today's range, today's yellow zone. It frames well in either direction, minimum of 3-to-1 trade. This was the swing trade frame of the day today. If you're following mechanically, this was Nike, and it had a mechanical breakout. It started to fail intraday. We'll stop and reverse at the red line because after this kind of a collapse, that would be a massive win. But there is a trail of tears here to climb the ladder of virtue, where it's still about 8-to-1 back to the 10-day high. So we'll just follow the rules on that one. The intraday trade of the day, sniper trade of the day. This is Intel. This was the last 30 minutes from yesterday. These are 10-minute charts. It opened about where it closed. It moved an R5 box off the bottom of the day. Another R5 box had to get long. Probably gave back too much. Re-entered. Cashed about two. Then a micro loss. Those are our trades of the day. Take good care.